The most beautiful eucalyptus in the world is found in the Philippines. What a wonderful tree this is! Introducing buggrass Eucalyptus deglupta of the family Myrtaceae. The genus Eucalyptus is derived from the ancient Greek words "eu" meaning well and "calyptus" covered, referring to the operculum covering the flower buds. The specific epithet "deglupta" is a Latin word meaning peeled off, husked, or shelled. Eucalyptus deglupta is a tall tree species commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus, Mindanao gum, rainbow gum, or rainbow tree, native to the Philippines, Indonesia, Timor-Leste, and Papua New Guinea. It is the only eucalyptus species that usually lives in rainforest with a natural range that extends into the northern hemisphere. It is characterized by multicolored bark. It is called ampupo in Indonesia, eucalyptus in France, kamari in Papua New Guinea, eucalypt in Thailand, bakdan in Vietnam. Buggrass is popularly known as a rainbow tree as its attractive colorful bark peels off year-round, exhibiting various colors. Because of this, buggrass is one of the most sought-after trees in gardens and urban parks. The wood is used as general-purpose timber, suitable for light and heavy construction. Buggrass has an all-purpose wood. In about 10 years, it can be used for pulpwood, lumber, or plywood. 10-year-old buggrass is used for fuel wood or poles, and the 12-year-old for sawn timber. Other than wood, its eucalyptus oil is extensively used for medicinal purposes. The extracted eucalyptus oil is extensively used for pharmaceutical purposes. However, moderation is advised since there are claims that large doses can lead to fatalities from intestinal irritation. The decoction of leaves is taken as a tea for cough and asthma. Its aroma repels mosquitoes and other insects. Oil from leaves and twigs is used in pharmaceutical products such as liniment or cough medication, perfumes, soaps and detergents, disinfectants and pesticides. The bark is a source of tannin, flowers with good pollen and nectar for honey. It is planted for reforestation projects and as ornamental. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.